Hey, welcome. Today we're jumping into a topic that's on pretty much everyone's mind. How can we actually increase our income? We've taken a really powerful guide and broken it down into a simple, practical framework. So let's get right to it. I mean, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? But it's not about just hoping for more money to appear. It's about having a real strategy. And that's what this is all about. We're going to walk you through a complete formula for success, starting from the ground up. Okay, so think about it like building a house. You can't just start throwing up walls, right? You need a rock-solid foundation. And when it comes to increasing your income, that foundation rests on three absolutely essential pillars. Everything else we talk about today is built right on top of these. So the first pillar our source material brings up is something it calls prayer. Now, let's think about this more broadly as your mindset and your intention. It's all about knowing your why. What's the bigger goal behind your work? Having that clear direction is what's going to fuel your drive, especially when things get tough. Next up, pillar number 2. And look, there's just no way around this one. It's hard work. It's the engine that makes everything else go. There are no magic shortcuts here. This is all about the consistent, dedicated effort you need to put in to make any plan a reality. And our third pillar, essential knowledge. This is the whole work smart, not just hard principle in action. It means you've got to understand your field, your customers, and what you're actually trying to achieve. You could say this pillar is the bridge that leads us to our next section. All right, so our foundation is poured. Now it's time to actually start building. This next layer is all about the practical, hands-on strategies and skills you can work on to create more opportunities for yourself. And, you guessed it, more income. So here's a really crucial idea. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become. It's pretty straightforward, right? Think about it. Getting great with computers, learning a new language, figuring out how to teach someone something, or picking up a technical craft. Every single new skill you add to your toolbox opens up a whole new potential stream of income. I love this comparison because it shows the difference so clearly. On one side, you have someone working their tail off, but basically just spinning their wheels, not getting anywhere. But on the other side, someone with a simple plan, thinking about their finances each month, always looking for new opportunities, that's when hard work actually pays off. This just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Time is the one thing you can never get back. So this isn't about just staying busy for the sake of it. It's about seeing every single hour as a potential opportunity. If you can manage your time, you can manage your opportunities. It's that direct. Okay, now this is the financial engine that can really change everything for you. It's a cycle, and it starts with something really simple, the habit of saving, even a little bit. That saving then builds up your capital, which you can then turn around and invest. And those investments start working for you, creating even more income. It's an amazing loop that just keeps feeding itself. And hey, when we say invest, don't automatically think of the stock market. Some of the best investments you can possibly make, especially early on, are in yourself. Using your savings to get more education, learn that new skill we talked about, or even get a small side business off the ground, that can give you the biggest returns of all. All right, so we've got our foundation and our building blocks. But what holds it all together? What keeps the whole structure from falling apart when things get shaky? That's where these personal attributes come in. Think of them as the mortar, the stuff that makes your success solid and built to last. Honesty isn't just a nice moral principle. It's a brilliant business strategy. When people genuinely trust you, they want to work with you. They want to buy from you. They want to tell their friends about you. Trust is like a magnet for opportunities and growth. Oh, this is such a critical point. Real success rarely ever happens in one giant leap. It's almost always the result of small, consistent steps, taken day in and day out. The absolute key is persistence, just not giving up when you don't see results right away. That daily grind is what compounds into something massive over time. Never, ever underestimate the power of your network and just your general attitude. Seriously. A positive vibe and genuine relationships can open doors you didn't even know were there. A lot of the time, your next big break is going to come from somebody you know. It might seem super obvious, but we overlook it all the time. Your physical health is the platform for absolutely everything else you do. When you feel good, you've got more energy, you can focus better, and you just have more drive. Being sick doesn't just feel bad, it directly hits your wallet by tanking your productivity. And finally, gratitude. This is your mental fuel.
By being thankful for the progress you've already made and the opportunities you have right now, you build a positive mindset. And it's that positivity that keeps you motivated and pushing forward, especially when you hit a rough patch.
So, we've walked through the foundation, the strategies, and the personal traits that hold it all together. Now let's step back, put all the pieces together, and see what this complete, powerful formula for increasing your income actually looks like. And there it is, the whole shebang. This is the complete checklist. You can see how everything connects, right? You've got the foundational pillars like mindset and hard work, combined with practical actions like developing skills and planning, and it's all held together by those crucial character traits like honesty and gratitude. This single sentence just perfectly wraps up the entire strategy. It's not about doing just one of these things. It's about the incredible power you unlock when all these key pieces, your mindset, your knowledge, your effort, and your strategy, all start working together in harmony. So, after seeing this entire framework, there's really only one question left that matters. What's the first step you're going to take today? Knowing all this is great, but taking action is what actually changes things. So, what is the one small, real thing you can do right now to put this formula to work for you?